sheet metal command and forming tools and create this kind of shape in SolidWorks sheet metal. We will see how to use these forming tools with the help of design library, and we will apply some tools here. So let's see how to make this one. Now let me open your file, new, and select hero part. Okay, now we are in the SolidWorks interface, plain white. Now here again we are going to take a simple example, and which is going to shown with the help of sheet metal and forming tools, and we will use some forming tools library. So let's start. We will start with front plane, sketch. I'll choose here line, and I'll draw a simple geometry which is going to create with the help of sheet metal tool. See, this is a kind of geometry. If you don't have sheet metal option here, you can directly right click and choose sheet metal. Now let me define this. This is random dimension, nothing important, just a simple example how to use the tools and everything. 40, 23, and this length 25, and this also 25 millimeter, and let's make the angle 135 degree. Looks that's perfect. You can exit and go to sheet metal and choose your base flange. See, here we will define the thickness or width 60 millimeter. That's it. And the thickness is going downward, direction 2 we don't need, thickness 2 millimeter, radius 4 millimeter, but thickness we can take it upward. Okay, K factor we can keep as it is 0.5, that is standard. Now see, sheet metal parts we created, even you can check, select flatten, and you can check it like this. This is the development length. You can directly, if you want to see development length, right click, choose here evaluate. Once you come here, choose measure, and you can select this length. See, this is the length 168.28. Okay, unflatten. Now let's try some tools here. If you want to, we will see how to use fold and fold command. So we will choose for unfold, and we want to bend only these two. So first we have to choose fix of surface. This is our fixed surface. Bend to unfold. I'll choose this one bending and second bending. Whatever number of bending you want to open, just click on that. So here we will choose only one. So click OK. Now see, it is open. Now select this face, sketch normal, and we want to trim something. So choose here corner rectangle. From here to this line, smart dimension 70 millimeter, and the thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, go to sheet metal and here choose extruded cut. Even you can choose throughout, or here you can select link to thickness so that it will cut only up to thickness. Okay, look, corners trim. So now we want to make here radius. So here we have option chamfer and fillet. So I'll choose here radius 4 millimeter. Okay, now let me unfold. Fold this. Fold command. Here face selected, fixed face, bends to fold. So one and this two. These two bends we selected. Okay, now see, it's folded or bent. Now let's use some forming design library, forming tools, and we will drop some tools here. So we will see here lenses, and see there are multiple type of lenses. So we will apply one type of lens here, lens and form. Select this face. going downward direction, so flip. Now it's come upward direction. Now here we will change angle. 90. It's going backside, so we will choose 270 degree. Now see, this step should come forward here. Now let me choose this view. Position. Now here we can define this one. This is moving, so you just remember this center point. This is important. Smart dimension. 16. 18.5 millimeter. That's it. See, it is moved. Now let me choose here isometric view, and we can see here. Let's make little backside 15 millimeter. That's fine. It looks fine. Okay. Now select here OK. Even though we can move little here, no problem. 20. That's fine. Now once you select OK, you will see how we created a lenses from bottom. See, so this kind of lenses we are going to create with the help of forming tools in press machine. Now let's make some lenses here. So choose this face normal and apply this bridge lens here. Go to position and select one more, so that two will comes. Smart dimension. Let's define the distance. 36 millimeter. 12 millimeter. And this distance from this side 18.5 millimeter. This makes center for this. Let me try this things work for center. Already this is in center position, so let's make these 2 points horizontal. Now this drawing is fully defined. Even if you saw isometric view, this bridge lens is going downward. So just go to type, flip. Now see, it comes upward direction. We want to see in upward direction. Okay. Oh, look. If you want to make a hole, you can make in that condition also. Sketch normal. So let's make some holes. Let's say oblong. We selected center rectangle. Okay, let's settle this one. Whole full rectangle, and choose here make equal. That's fine. 9 millimeter. 3 millimeter. That's it. And distance from here to this end. Keep 12 millimeter. And we will choose one more. 10 millimeter. The same distance we will select from here. 10 millimeter. Okay, and the last point, select center points, make relation vertical. See, the drawing is fully defined. That's it. Now here, if you want to add some holes, you can add it here. See, this is simple to add hole here. Now select this all holes equal. Now let's make some relation so that it will be easy for us. Vertical. These two horizontal. Now these two holes vertical. The same way these two holes horizontal. Oh, just undo. We selected 3. Now let's define any one. millimeter, 24 millimeter, and this one we choose 35 millimeter. 25 millimeter. That's it. So this is how we can directly cut a hole from anywhere, extruded cut, and simply choose here through all. See, it's going to cut up to the end. Okay. See, so this is how we created a simple sheet metal part, and we will see how to use SolidWorks forming tool and create any kind of forming geometry. Let me change edit appearance. Others look fine. If you want to choose flatten, you can choose flatten. See, this is embossing tool, so it is not going to be flattened. Now if you want to save this one in 2D form, right click, export to DXF, select here, save, choose here sheet metal. Okay. Now once you click OK, it will save this drawing in 2D form. You will see here, and that 2D drawings you can open in anywhere like AutoCAD and Inventor or any other. See, this is 2D drawing. So simply save it. That's it. Unfold. So this is the simple example of sheet metal where we learned some basic commands of sheet metal and forming tools. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks.